Hello YouTube. It's finally snowing here in Michigan. So I'm gonna take the H16BM for a run. It's snowing pretty bad. There isn't really a lot of snow in the ground right now, but let's see how it performs. I will be driving one-handed, 100%. Steering feels good. My hands is gonna start hurting in a minute, so let's see. It got stuck already. So maybe too much water. Oh yeah, look at this. It got stuck. Ice building up. Not too bad. Oh yeah, couldn't go through the snow here. Too heavy for it. Look at that, all the snow. So much fun. I don't think it's gonna overheat. Has a lot of snow. Just proving the point. Well, let me get this here. Whew. Got snow everywhere. I don't know if you can see well or not. Try to clean this. Got some very good snow everywhere in the vehicle. Wow. Look at that. Yeah, it can drive through snow. Confirmed. Thank you for watching. Consider subscribing for more. Yeah, the weather's gonna be bad for a while here, so you'll see a lot of snow in the channel. Thank you.